Hi, Albert here with Mainland Cycle Center. Today I want to show you the 2020 Kawasaki KLX 300R, and I want to tell you why I think this could be the perfect dirt bike for you. Great price point on these. MSRP is $54.99. But why do I think this could be great, or the perfect, or the right dirt bike for you? And of course, not everybody is going to need the same thing. Different skill levels, different ways you're going to go ride the bike, and it's always important to be real with yourself about how you're going to ride. But this bike, I think that if you're just a recreational rider, I think that if you maybe have kids that ride, you want to go ride with them, you're just going to ride trails by your house, something like that, but you want something that's pretty serious, something with decent suspension, and you want something more than, say, our KLX 230 or a TTR 230 or a CRF 230F. With one of these, I think you really get some upped performance versus those models. And here's why. You get inverted front forks with adjustable compression dampening, 20-way adjustable compression dampening, 11 inches of travel. It's a 43mm fork, I believe. You get a dual overhead cam, 4-valve, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected motor. And this motor is very similar to what is in the KLX 250, our dual sport bike. It just has a bigger bore. Stroke is the same. Compression ratio is the same, about 11:1. And but the bore is bigger. 78 millimeters, I believe, is what the bore is on this one, where it's like 72 on the KLX 250. So, solid performance, meaning it's not like the KLX where it has a single overhead cam, air-cooled, 2-valve motor, liquid cooling, 4-valve, fuel-injected. Aluminum swing arm, aluminum rims, full-size wheels, 18-inch rear, 21-inch in the front. And then it's got nice rear suspension as well. So you've got a remote reservoir rear shock with adjustable compression and rebound dampening, as well as spring preload on there. There's a look at your motor on this side. Again, there's your electric start. These are electric start. Now, some of you may remember that we had a KLX 300 in our lineup some years ago, but those were kickstart. They were carbureted. So all that's been updated. Also, you get adjustable handlebars on this one. So there's 4 positions that you can mount the handlebars in. So if you look right up here, there's 2 different holes, hopefully you can see that you can mount the bar risers in. Plus you can flip these bar risers to give you a total of 4 different positions on the handlebar mounting up front. Plastic gas tank. Styling really looks great on it. But I think you can have a great time on this bike. Like I said, maybe you don't need something quite as serious as a KX 250F or a KX 450F, but you want something more than some of the 230s that are on the market. This bike would certainly be, I think, the sweet spot, and I think it's a great price point at $54.99. So really digging this bike. I think this was a good offering from Kawasaki, and I'm glad to see it. Let me know what you think in the comments about the new KLX 300. Is this the right bike for you? Do you think you'd have a great time on this bike? It's not too tall. It's also not as tall as some of the KXs. I am a 30-inch inseam, and I can ride this bike no problem. I don't sit on it flat-footed, but not far. So not super, super tall. Very easy to handle. It's not super light like some of the SX bikes, but it's not crazy heavy either. I think curb weight, wet, with fluids and everything, it's around 286 pounds. So it's probably quite a bit less than that without gas and fluids. So anyway, that's it. The 2020 Kawasaki KLX 300R. Let me know what you think in the comments. Once again, we are Mainland Cycle Center. We're located in Marque, Texas. We're about 30 minutes south of downtown Houston, just off of I-45. You can find us online at mainlandcyclecenter.com or by phone at 409-948-4969. And we would just love it if you'd give us a call, shoot us an email, or even better, come on down to Mainland Cycle Center, where we'd love to help any way that we can. Hey, thanks for watching.